Hi, my name is Daniela and welcome back to my universe. Today we will be crocheting this cute kitty. It is a no-sew pattern, so I hope you like it. Don't forget to comment what pattern should I do next and subscribe. Let's go to the video. I use bulky yarn and a 4mm hook for this project. The yarn is from Hobbii. We will start by doing a magic ring, wrapping the yarn around my fingers, over, under and cross as you can see. Then we will get our hook and go under this yarn, grab the yarn on the top, pull it around my hook, then grab the one in the top again and pull it through the loop in my hook. Then we will do 6 single crochet in the magic ring. To do 1 single crochet, we will put our hook inside the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. We will continue with 5 single crochet more. I also like to start closing the ring when I am in half of the process so that it is easier to close at the end. Once we have our 6 single crochet, we will close completely the magic ring. For round 2 we will do an increase. To do an increase you just need to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. I also like to add a stitch marker at the beginning of the round so that I know where I have to finish and the number of stitches I should have. We will continue doing increases until the end of the round and we should end up with 12 stitches. In round 3 we will do 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and we will repeat this pattern until the end of the round. You should end up with 18 stitches. In round 4 we will just single crochet around, meaning that you will do 1 single crochet per stitch. Before round 5 I will place stitch markers in stitch 3 and 7. If you look at your stitch you should find 2 loops. The one that is far from us is the back loop. This step is not necessary but it will be useful later. We will start round 5 by doing 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and now we will do the ear. We will do everything in the front loop of these stitches. Again, the front loop is the one that is close to us. We will yarn over, pull through the front loop of this stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch. You should have 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops, then we will yarn over and pull through both loops. This is known as a double crochet. Now we will do 2 chains. To do a chain you will yarn over and pull through your stitch, yarn over and pull through your stitch. Now we will do a slip stitch in the second chain from our hook. You can do it in the front loop or the back loop as you prefer. I will do it in the back loop. To do a slip stitch, you will pass through the stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch and pull through your loop. To finish our ear, we will do another double crochet in the same stitch. Make sure you do this in the front loop. And there you go, we have our first ear. We will continue this round by doing 3 single crochet, another ear, 4 single crochet, and I'll meet you back for the bubble stitch. For the bubble stitch, we will yarn over, insert our hook through the stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 of the loops. You should end with 2 loops in your hook. We will repeat this again, yarn over, insert through the stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn over and go through 2 of the loops. You should have now 3. We will repeat this again. 4 loops in your hook, one more time. And now that you have 5 loops in your hook, we will yarn over and pull through all of the loops. To continue this round, we will do 3 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch and 2 single crochet. You should end this round with 18 stitches. In round 6, we will do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and now we will do a back loop only single crochet. So in this case is the loop that is marked with our stitch marker. We will insert our hook through the loop, yarn under, pull through, yarn over and pull through again. We can now take out the stitch marker. And to continue with this round, we will do 3 single crochet, 1 back loop only single crochet in the other ear and 11 single crochet. Here I'm marking the stitch that goes after the ear. We will do the single crochet in this one. In round 7, we will single crochet a round. Before we continue with round 8, we will place our eyes between rounds 2 and 3 and around 4 stitches apart. Since I'm also not a fan of embroidering, I will add a nose in this step, but this is not necessary. You can embroider the nose at the end. In round 8, we will do 11 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, 3 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch and 2 single crochet. Depending on your tension and how consistent it is, it's possible that the bubble stitches from round 8 don't align with the stitches of round 6. If this is your case, you just have to move the bubble stitches as you want. Just make sure that you do single crochets in the other stitches and you should end up this round with 18 stitches in total. In round 9, we will single crochet a round. Before round 10, I will add 2 stitch markers in the back loop only of stitches 5 and 6. This is not necessary but will be useful later. For round 10 we will do 1 single crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will do 1 single crochet in the front loop only of the next stitch. We will chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and starting in the second chain from our hook we will do 1 single crochet. You can do this in the front loop or the back loop. We will do 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and 4 single crochet. Now we will do 1 single crochet in the front loop of the next stitch. This is our tail, and to finish with the round we will do 12 single crochet. We will start round 11 by doing 1 single crochet, and now we will do a decrease. To do a decrease we will take the front loop of the first stitch, then we will take the front loop of the second, yarn under, pull through both loops, then we will yarn over and pull through all of the loops. We will then do 1 single crochet, and now we will do a back loop only decrease. So we are going to take the 2 loops that we marked previously with our stitch markers. So the first loop, now the second loop, we will yarn under, pull through both of our loops, then we will yarn over and pull through all of the loops. To continue we will do 1 single crochet, then we will do 1 decrease, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. In this case you should end up with 12 stitches. Before we continue, we will add as much stuffing as we can. In the last round, we will do 6 decreases, meaning that you should end up with 6 stitches. We can now cut the yarn, fasten off, and we will start closing. To close, I like to insert the needle through the front loop of each of the stitches, as you can see. Now we can pull the yarn. This is going to close our project. We will insert the needle through the middle and take it out at the other side. And to finish, we will add the extra details that we want. I'm going to embroider the butt of our kitty. and also the whiskers. If you didn't add a nose previously, you can embroider it now. And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Tag me if you try it out, I would love to see your results. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!